Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat not showing chats. If you're using Snapchat and your Snapchat app is not showing chats, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to do, you have to open up your quick settings, and here you have to make sure that you have strong Wi-Fi or cellular connection, because sometimes it might be that your internet connection is not stable, so you might get these type issues. Or if you have a strong internet connection, so you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. And once you have done, you have to go back and try to open your Snapchat app again. And if you're still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you have to open up your app store or Play Store, and here you have to search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available here, or if you have any update, try to update your app like that. And I am updating my app, and once your app has been updated, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work for you, so you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, because sometimes it might be that your VPN has been connected, so you cannot use these type features. So you have to go for settings, go for general, then scroll down, go for the VPN and device management, and here you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Or if you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. And once you have disconnected, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work for you, you have to make a force restart your phone. So not to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it's restart. And once your phone has been restarted, it will fix all the issue you have. And after that, you will easily get all of your chats on your Snapchat. So in this way, you can easily fix if your Snapchat not showing your chats. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.